Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Chevrolet 1500 Trail Boss LT. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks. We have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. There's Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Nicely appointed. This 2021 LT Trail Boss has the 5.3 liter paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. The passenger compartment is spacious and room for 3. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Trail Boss LT, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.